My name is Yasmin Jubran. I'm from Palestine and I live on campus. And I'm double majoring in marketing and business analytics. So my biggest challenge was coming here. I was terrified coming here all by myself. I had to leave my family, my home, everything I've built for the past 18 years of my life and come here, live on my own and figure things out. Getting out of that comfort zone did teach me a lot about being independent, of reaching out, of communicating with people. I think the most unique part of Mason is that they have such a supportive faculty and staff, and they're such a diverse community. And because the faculty cares so much about you, they offer you as many opportunities as they can. And especially if you put in the effort and they see you're hardworking. There's always clubs being formed every day that you can take initiative in. I was a part of the Quidditch sports. Yeah, we went to regionals in North Carolina. We road tripped there as a team and it was a fun and interesting experience. I was also a part of TEDx GMU, where I was the marketing team lead and I helped do the social media marketing. And it was a very insightful experience of how it is to organize a TED Talk and work within a team of students to do an event that large. When I first was a freshman here, there wasn't a club specifically for Palestinian students. And now there's a new club that has been formed that's called Students for Justice of Palestine. And it just gives information about the Palestinian culture and people and the country and everything that's going on around there. So people can learn more about my country and where I come from. Having these conversations with your classmates and your students and your professors does give them an insight to who you are and why you think the way you think and what kind of culture you come from. I remember multiple times just taking the metro with my friends and going to seeing for the first time the Chinese Lunar New Year, and even like going to the Cherry Blossom Festival and just learning how my name is spelled in Japanese and learning all these new things, new cultures that I wouldn't have otherwise been introduced to. And I think that's very important, rich education that is outside of the classroom.